Apple has released a new iPhone model, the iPhone Air, and this is the thinnest iPhone ever made. And in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know, from the camera to the display to the performance and the battery, so you can decide if this should be your next iPhone.
The iPhone Air is just 5.6 millimeters thick, which makes it the slimmest iPhone Apple has ever made. Built from a titanium frame, it's both light and strong. The front and back are protected by a new material called Ceramic Shield 2.
Apple says it's more scratch and crack resistant than ever before.
The new iPhone Air comes in 4 colors: space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue.
Next, we have to discuss the display and performance.
The iPhone Air has a stunning 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology up to 120 Hz. It also has an impressive 3000 nit peak brightness for outdoor use in direct sunlight. Under the hood, the iPhone Air packs a punch with the A19 Pro chip. And this is the same chip that's found in the more expensive Pro model. Also included is Apple's new C1X modem and N1 networking chips, which enable features like Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. And despite its thin profile, Apple says it has all-day battery life.
Now let's talk about the camera.
On the back, you have a single 48 megapixel fusion camera system. Apple says it's equivalent to 4 lenses in one. It even enables 2x optical quality telephoto shots. However, unlike other iPhone 17 models, it does not have an ultra-wide camera, so you won't be able to take macro shots with it. On the front, there's an innovative 18 megapixel center stage front camera. Now, this is a game changer for selfies and video calls, as the camera can automatically expand its field of view to include more people in a group shot. It's also the first time an iPhone has a square sensor on the front camera, which allows for landscape selfies without rotating the phone. It also has a new dual capture feature that allows you to record with both the front and back camera at the same time.
Outside of all that, there are some other notable features that we need to talk about.
Like the rest of the new lineup, it includes the customizable action button and the new camera control button. And due to its impossibly thin design, it's an eSIM-only phone with no physical SIM tray.
So what's my final verdict of the iPhone Air? Well, it's a phone that focuses on 3 things: thinness, a gorgeous display, and powerful performance. It does make some trade-offs, like the single camera on the back, but it's a clear look into the future of the iPhone. It's an elegant, powerful device that is completely different from anything else we've seen out on the market today. But I digress. What do you think of the iPhone Air? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Handy Andy Media on YouTube. I'm Andy Baryer. I'll see you again in the next video.